Connecting and shaping data. So now we are coming to the operations parts. Let's understand some tips and bits about it. So we'll know how to connect datas and how to shape them up. In this section, we'll connect to the source files and cover some of the most common techniques like extracting, cleaning, and shaping data to prepare it for modeling and analysis. Our goals for this section would be to explore Power BI's query editor and understand the role that Power BI query plays in larger BI workflow. It introduces different types of connectors and connectivity modes available for getting data into Power BI. It reviewed tools for checking data quality and key profiling metrics like column distribution, empty values, errors, and outliers. It also helps in transforming tables using text, numerical, and date and time tools, pivot and group records, and create new conditional columns. It will also help in practicing combining, modifying, and refreshing queries. The topics we will cover here would be introduction to Power Query as number one, number two, the query editor, number three, data QA and profiling, number four, calendar tools, number five, data connectors, number six, connection modes, number seven, table transformations, and number eight, combining queries. The difference between front end versus back end. Power BI Desktop essentially has two distinct environments. One is front end and one is back end. The front end includes the data model and report views where most of the modeling, analysis, and visualization takes place. The back end includes Power Query Editor where raw data is extracted, transformed, and loaded to the front end. Front end versus back end. Back end is connecting and extracting data using pre-built connectors, profile and QA the data to explore, clean, and prepare it for modeling and analysis, transform and shape tables to add new features, modify values, groups records, or sort and filter columns, merge or append queries to join and combine them prior to loading them to the front end, perform advanced transformations using custom M code. Out of scope for this course, but we will let you introduce you to some part of it. Front end. At front end, you would build data models by creating table relationships between primary and foreign keys, add calculated measures and columns using data analysis expressions, uh, design reports, and publish and share your Power BI workbooks. So that's how we'll be doing the connection and data modeling in Power BI.